2005 Hyundai Tiburon. Still got factory converter there, and then two more in the manifolds. Then we kept the resonator on it. 2 1/4 tailpipe all the way back, and it's dualed out to factory. And then we did a muffler delete there and there. Kept his stock tips right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it. It said GT V6 Hyundai Tiburon. There it is. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
I found out if there's a different DSN software.
You need mufflers, bro.
I know.
Go ahead.
Mufflers just sound, didn't they? That's just true. How much quieter is it?
It's louder. Yeah, it's louder because it's high flow cats on it. Give it gas. Muffler delete helped a little bit. It's still quiet though. It's about 90.
What is that?
Sound decibel meter. We got a YouTube channel. Do you know that?
No.
It's called Exhaust Addicts.
Stop it.
Yeah, we have like 780 videos on there.
So working.
Believe it or not, guys, this Hyundai Tiburon is, the owner wants a muffler delete, and he's in his like 60s or 70s. He came by and said, I want a muffler delete. I said, okay, we'll do a muffler delete. Give it gas. They wanted sound. We got it done for them. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hyundai Tiburon GT, so it's and it is turbo. That's probably why it's not got a lot of sound. Hey guys, pull forward. He's gotta go. So we did a muffler delete on it. It wasn't loud enough. He brought it back today, and we did a resonator delete also. So we'll let you guys hear it after now. Made it a little bit louder. Give it gas. So now it's truly dualed. I mean straight pipe. No mufflers, no resonators, nothing. It's just running right off the cats. And it is turbo. Almost. Yeah, it's gone now. Scott muffler. Hello?